Hey Mom, it's Raina and JJ. Say hi, Mommy. Say hi. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Yes, he thinks it's a picture. But I just wanted to make this for you to tell you how much I love you and happy Mother's Day. And no matter what, I've always loved you, and I'm sorry for all the fights I've started. And you're the best mom in the world to me. And I love you, and we were thinking of you when we did this while you're at the gym. And JJ loves you too. And I just want to be the best daughter in the world I can for you, and I know I can't be that good, but I'm trying. And I'll do whatever to prove to you that I do love you. Okay.